how to use revolve and revolve cut command in solid edge. Okay, so we will go to new, then here we will click on isometric part. So you can see our window will get pop up here now. Yes, so I will click on our turn on planes by clicking on this eye logo here. Then to start with the revolve, we are going to draw this part here. You can see with a revolve and revolve cut command. So first of all, you can see here the outer diameter of this bush, you can call it bush, is 28. This step is of 4 mm and total length is 10, and this outer diameter is 20. So we will go here, we'll take a revolve command. You can click on revolve, then click on front plane. Then now we will draw using line. Here you can see. Okay, so now you can see this is a slightly ang angled line, so it is not a straight one. So to make it straight one, we are going to make it horizontal by clicking on this. Here you can go. Now we have to give a dimensions. Okay, so you can see here our outer dimension is 28. So to give diameter, okay, we have to click on symmetric diameter here, then click on first center line, then outer line. You can see here our diameter is there, so it is a half line only. If you want to make it full, then you can click here diameter full, you can click here, and then you see this is a whole line which is 28. Enter. Now the below diameter is of 20, you can see here 20. Then we have to click, right click, then again center line, and then outer line, which is make it 20. Okay, now we have to give this tape dimension, and this, as it is not a diameter, so we have to take a simple smart dimension from here, then click on between these two lines, which is of 4 mm, and this total distance is of 10 mm. Okay, so this is how. Now you can see friends, our sketch is not fully constant, as it is we have not given distance from origin. Okay, so we will go and make connect of this center point. You can go to this line and click on this center and this center of origin, and now you can see our sketch is constant as it is in a black color. Okay, now we will close the sketch, and you will get here a message that revolve feature must have an axis of revolution defined. So we have to define the axis of revolution. For this sketch, our axis of revolution will be this center line, this will be center. So I will go here, axis of revolution. Kindly be careful while selecting the axis of revolution. Click on it, then click on this, then you can see our line is converted to construction line. Then close the sketch. Okay, so now you can see our bush is ready. Okay, now again, as you have to cut this using revolve cut, you can go here by clicking on this, you can click on cut. Again you can select this front plane now. Okay, and now we will go to line, click on line, click on this, Okay, so this is how we have to cut. We have to draw this half only, as we are going to revolve cut it. So diameter will be 14. You can see here diameter is of 14. Click on 14. So again I will close the sketch, and again it will, you can see revolve feature must have an axis of revolution defined. So again I have to define the axis of revolution by clicking on this axis of revolution, and then I will click on this center line. Then I will close the sketch and I will say finish. So now you can see our bush is ready. So this is how we use revolve and revolve cut command. Again I will take another one example for you. We will go to the new, control new, then click on part, then say okay. Okay, so now I will click again, turn on our basic planes. So in this case I will draw an o-ring. So okay, so I will click on revolve. Again I will click on this front plane. Okay, so I will click on this. So whenever you going to draw a circle, always keep it in relation with the origin. So I will give here a diameter of 5, and my outer diameter will be of 50 or 60. You can see here 60, or you can take 100 also. Here I will close the sketch now. You can see it is again asking for the axis of revolution. I will close and then click on this axis of revolution, and you can click on this. Okay, so now you can see our o-ring is ready. If you want to change, if you want to change the dimension, you can double click on the model, or you can double click also on protrusion by clicking on escape. Again you can double click on protrusion. You can see you can make it whatever you want. You can also make it 10. You can also make it, you can also make it 200, like this. Okay, so again if you want, I will make this profile of 15 mm. Okay, and now I will go for the cut. I will give a flat cut here, so you can, okay, so I will go here, say cut, select this front plane. Okay, so here I will draw a certain rectangle. You can also draw a rectangle here and below also. Okay, so I want this to be of 20. I will give here 20. Here also I will give 20. I will give dimensions to this, as I will take it as a 90, or also you can take okay, so here I will give it a dimension of 5. I will delete the point connected on this, so it will have to take it below. I want 1 mm cut here, and here also I want 1 mm cut. I want it collinear, these two lines. I want these two lines equal. So if you want to go to this equal, then you have to take this equal. Okay, so now again I will give axis of rotation to this and close the sketch and say finish. Now you can see there is a flat cut to our o-ring. Okay, so this is how we are going to use revolve and revolve cut command. So friends, if you like this simple video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.